Bob from Bob's Workshop. Here's an older commercial from Menards about their O-scale trains, buildings, and die-cast vehicles. It's pretty interesting because it includes a few trains made by Lionel and some of their buildings that were made by Woodland Scenics. What I'd like to know more about, though, is the motorized roadway that Menards used to display some of their cars and trucks. I think a lot of layouts could benefit from some moving vehicles along their streets. I wonder if any of this is still on display somewhere, maybe at their corporate headquarters or possibly an executive's basement layout. I don't know. It would be neat to see if this were still around. But here is a video that Menards made in 2013 about their trains and buildings and cars. Here it is.
Now, Menards is offering an exclusive line of O-gauge flat cars for the train enthusiast in all of us. Start your collection with a beautifully designed Menards Kenworth tractor. The unit is realistically chained down to the flat car. Check out this flat car carrying Midwest manufacturing trusses. It also features individual chains to keep the massive loads in place. Since the beginning, lumber has been a staple of Menards, and now you can own a piece of history with this lumber-loaded flat car. Each load comes wrapped and ready to ship. Speaking of shipping lumber, try this flat car featuring a detailed truck loaded with lumber being delivered to a job site near you. And check out this flatbed carrying an F-150 security truck, complete with light-up headlights and taillights. Race down the tracks with this flat car toting the authentic replica of the Brickyard 400 winning race car driven by Paul Menard. This model features rubber tires and weathered race-driven detail, right down to the authentic dirt and grime. Finish your set with a flat car carrying a customized Ford truck with car hauler. This classic hauler features a vintage 1949 Mercury. Add to your winning Menards collection with the F-150 flatbed truck. Or take the checkered flag with this Nidco or Quaker State Paul Menard race car featuring authentic race-ready details. Gas up and go by making a pit stop at the Quaker State gas station. It comes with a specially designed Menards race car and features unique signage and classic gas pumps. Add to your display with this Menards store. It includes 11 O-gauge figurines with animated shoppers that move in and out of the store. 32 lights are included that can be steady burning or flashing. The store also plays the famous Save Big Money at Menards jingle.
You'll save big money, you'll save big money when you shop Menards.
The garden center is also highly detailed inside and out. It includes 10 O-gauge figurines with animated shoppers moving about in the store, a detailed UTV, and guard gates that actually go up and down. Plus, check out all of these other great accessories like a Menards light-up water tower, or a Menards sawmill that includes LED lights that simulate real water. These hand-painted, beautifully detailed Woodland Scenic buildings add the perfect touch to any layout. Each is individually numbered and features dimmable LED lights. Like the Menards Mercantile with lighted first-floor picture windows displaying detailed merchandise for sale. Or check out the Mastercraft Door Factory. This building is packed with detail, including a dimmable amber-colored overhead light and a printed interior office area inside. It even has a loading dock stocked and ready to ship. Capture the nostalgic feel of small-town life with the Camaraderie Bar and Grill. It's carefully sculpted from wood featuring authentic architectural aspects and vintage advertisements, like Dr. Pepper, Pittsburgh Paints, Fisher's Peanuts, RC Cola, Menard Cashway Lumber, and a lighted Budweiser sign. It features a sturdy, rigid base and 2 LED yard lights. All detail parts are included, even Jack the German Shepherd. But hurry, all items are limited edition and sold on a first-come, first-served basis. Shop for these and more great deals on Menards.com or stop by your local Menards store and get your collection started on a fast track to fun.